What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the madness. Today we're going to be going tone hunting, but with the constraint of time. So we're going to be going on Instagram, and then we're going to be going and trying to take a tone off there, and then we're going to try to replicate it while maintaining under the 5-minute time limit. All right? So without further delay, let's jump into this bad boy. Alright guys, so the video is going to go kind of like this. Then we're going to hit it off, go into Instagram, find our kind of tone that we're looking for. 2, we're going to set 5 minutes on the clock. 3, we're going to start diving in and trying to make this tone happen in 5 minutes, and you'll see my entire progress along the way. Remember guys, I've never heard this tone before, so let's get right into this thing and see what can happen. Alright, so here we are on Instagram. We can see the first thing that pops up on my feed is this guy, Red Slim. And
I think, it's got to be Jimmy. Oh, man, great guy.
Option play, Vic fakes the pitch.
All right. So I'm thinking this might be the one. All right, guys. So now that I've got my my tone ready to be picked out, it's time to start the clock, right? Let's get this thing going. Boom. All right, so you could tell right from that tone that it was clean, kind of crunchy. You know, had a wah pedal going on inside there. Some crunch. Sounds like mids are there. Low end seems a little bit scooped. High end seems a little bit up. All right, so that's where I'm gonna start off, right? So I've got a wah pedal at the end here. In and out's normal. So now I'm gonna throw an amp in here. Let's see, throw another cab. Let's see. He could have had a comp in here. Let's just throw it in here for good measure, just because I like comps. I'll do a feed forward. Why not? I'll try to get this threshold up a little bit. Ratio is gonna get right there. Reduce that. Auto on, medium, soft. Let's do RMS and peak. All right, so now let's see what we got for a tone right now. Not quite what I'm looking for. Not quite. I'm looking for something that's kind of loud, but not too. I don't want a pig either. I'm gonna try to go over here, get a 2x12. Let's do a tremolo verb. Let's go and hear what he says again. Let's get some decent amount of high end in here. Let's not do fast then. Let's do one of my favorites. Let's do shiver. So now I'm gonna also take my gain up a little bit. Let's go to ideal. Increase our treble. Mids are fine. Let's go up. Bass down a little bit. Let's slap a little drive in here. Because right now clones are real nice. Let's see, where's my clone? Give some treble, drop the gain back a little bit. Put the gain back on this. Okay. Not quite there yet. Let's go in here. Let's go to preamp. Let's do an input. There's a little bit of reverb on there. Let's just do a music hall. Let's do control. Let's do FC pedal 1. Okay, there we go. Let's do something. Okay, let's see. It sounds like he's got quite a bit more treble. It actually sounds almost like he's got a little bit of a filter in here too. Get rid of some of that. Let's do a high pass. Where are you? High pass. Not high shelf, high pass. Drag some of these. Get around. See what he sounds like. Not too bad. Getting pretty close. Getting pretty close. I will say I think that he's got a little bit. That could be all a matter of just pickup. That and he's a phenomenally better guitarist than me. But I think that what we're at right now is pretty goddamn close to what he's going with. He's got a little bit more clarity. And he's got... I might actually have a little bit more gain than him, but this is generally not too bad. Not a bad approach for only 5 minutes. So I think you see what I did. You know, I kind of went in there, kind of picked some things out that I thought were pretty reasonable to kind of go forward with. I made my chain, and then I started tinkering with the amp and the cab a little bit until I got something that seemed relatively close to what I was listening to. Now, this was only 5 minutes, but gets you in the right direction. Either way, I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope you got something out of it. Appreciate you guys taking a stop and a gander. Till then, I'll catch you all on the flippy floppy, y'all. Ciao for now.